beauties, welcome to our channel. This is Sharon from Astound Beauty. Today I'm going to introduce you our newly released glitter polygel kit. It comes with this beautiful laser effects travel bag. Let's see what's inside of it. So this is another all-in-one kit. Come with a slip solution and a lamp. Let's test out the colors. First, let's get our slip solution ready. It's going to prevent your polygel become too sticky. You're going to use it when you're doing your nails, also when you test out your colors. First is clear color. I'm going to use my swatch sticks to show you the real color. Use your polygel brush, dip into the slip solution, and then dry a little bit on the paper towel. Then gently tap on the polygel and tap them in place. Now white color. Apricot, one of our best-selling colors. Now Comet. Milky Way. And the last one, Galaxy. I'm going to cure them under the LED lamp. This is the outcome. They're so beautiful. 3 basic colors plus 3 glitter colors. Now I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful faucet with this kit. Let's get started. First, as always, I need to prep my nails. Gently push the cuticle off using cuticle pusher. This is going to expose any non-living tissues that need to be removed. Use nail nipper to nip off any dead skin. Roughen up the surface to remove the shine from the nail bed with a nail file. Use paper towel with some alcohol to wipe off any dust on your nail bed. Now apply some primer. It will remove any oil on your nail bed and will make your nails last as long as possible. Apply polygel base coat. Be careful, do not apply it on your cuticle area or anywhere of your skin. Cure under LED lamp for 1 minute. Wipe off the remaining sticky layer with the alcohol. Looks good. Now let's play with the polygel. Find the right size to form to fit you the best. A little tips. Always find a little bigger size than your actual size. That way, you can always file down the polygel to the perfect size after curing. Squeeze a little bit apricot color on the dough form. Then use your brush to gently tap the polygel in place. I want to create a triangle nail tip on my thumb, so I'm going to use the brush to gently push the polygel to a triangle shape. Let me check from the other side. No, it's not a triangle shape yet. I think I squeezed too much polygel. I'm gonna use the spatula to move some to the next dough form. This time is much easier. Okay, look good. Now I'm gonna put the dough form on my nail bed and gently press it down. Be careful, do not push it too hard, otherwise you're going to squeeze out the polygel. Use your brush to clean any excess polygel. Also smoothing out the underside, because if you don't, it will become very lumpy and you'll have to use your e-file to smooth out afterwards. So I'm gonna cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. Please remember to cure both sides. Once done, gently pinch the sides of the dough form to take it off. It's so beautiful. I love this color. Now I'm going to use my hand file to create the triangle shape. First, use my nail tip cutter to cut off the tip because it's too long for my design. And then cut off the edge of your nail tip. You can use a scissor if you have one, but here I'm still going to use this nail tip cutter. And now I'm going to use my hand file to do the shaping. So after doing my shaping, I'm gonna take in my e-file with a medium grade bit, and I'm just gonna work that on my underside of my nail. It's still a little bit too thick underneath, so I just want to go ahead and thin that out. It looks good. I like it. Now I'm going to use Milky Way to create the tip part. Put your dough form back on your nail, hold it tight, and squeeze a little bit of Milky Way color on the very top of your dough form. Now I'm going to smooth out the PolyGel with my PolyGel brush. Flip over to make sure there's no bubble or gap between the apricot color and this Milky Way color. And cure under my LED lamp for 30 seconds on both sides. Here I only cure for 30 seconds because that's only a very small amount of PolyGel need to be cured. Take off the dough form, and I'm gonna do my filing and shaping again. I want to use all three glitter colors on my thumb, so I'm gonna file it to a kind of a round shape for now, and apply comet and the galaxy afterwards. Okay, now put back on the dough form. And then fill in the comet color. Smooth it out just like the Milky Way. And cure it again under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. This set is a little bit complex because I want to show you all the colors. If you do it at home, you can always just use one color to create the tip. Look at that, how shiny they are. Once you're satisfied with the shape, just put your dew form back on. Now I'm gonna use my last color, Galaxy, to fill the very top of the tip. Same as the previous steps, flat it off with your PolyGel brush. And then cure under the LED lamp for 30 seconds on both sides. Take off the dew form, and I'm gonna do the final shaping. Now I'm going to work on my index finger. I'm going to create the same design as my thumb, so the steps will be exactly the same. And this is the result. I like it. On middle finger, I'm gonna create this side French tip design. Same thing, start with the apricot. Use your brush to create a line on your dew form. Put the dew form on your nail and gently press down. Gently hold it with your index finger and use your PolyGel brush to smooth out the underside. Then I'm gonna cure under my LED lamp for 1 minute on both sides. Now I'm gonna take off the dew form and shape it a little bit. Okay, that's what I want. Now I'm gonna put the dew form back on and squeeze a little bit Milky Way color on the dew form. Use your brush to gently tap it in place. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Fill it a little bit, then apply Comet and the Galaxy PolyGel as the same step. This is the result. What do you think? I really like it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my ring finger. On the ring finger, I want to mix up all lovely 3 glitter polygels with a clear one. And I want to encapsulate some maple leaves to create some fall vibes. I'm squeezing all the polygel on the dew form separately. And then use the spatula to kind of mix them better. Then smooth out with the brush again. Now I'm getting out my maple leaves. Here I'm using this greenish one and this holographic ones. Lay them on the right place that you like. And then use my cuticle pusher to press it into the PolyGel. And then use the brush to cover it with the PolyGel. Now check it from the other side of the glue form. I see there is an air bubble. So I'm going to use my cuticle pusher to press again to get the air out of the PolyGel. Now I'm going to put the glue form on my nail and cure under my LED lamp for 1 minute. Let's see the result. Wow, I'm impressed. It's so pretty. I really like it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my pinky. I'm still gonna mix all the PolyGel together, but this time, just a simple look. Now I'm going to do the final shaping for this set. Use my cuticle beads to clean the cuticle area. This step, you need to be very patient. Take your time. Almost done. Now, I'm gonna apply top coat. Don't forget your underside. Now cure under my LED lamp for 1 minute. Remember to cure both sides. And this is the final result. Oh my god, I really love it. What do you think? Please comment below. With this all-in-one PolyGel kit, plus a little bit creativity, you can create your own nail art. I'll put the product link below, please check it out. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time.